Thank you for watching. We have a special invitation for you from Dianne and Alan. So stay tuned. We're excited to be presenting a QuantumThink Workshop experience in the context of the great Peace, Harmony, and Joy Alliance project founded by Scott Frank and Yossi Lerman that has brought us all together. We're connecting now to tell you about what we'll be doing. In Scott and Yossi's book, Less Stress, More Joy, the Peace, Harmony, and Joy approach, they reference several QuantumThink principles as their method and QuantumThink are very much in sync. We'll delve into 3 of the principles in our workshop: the power of intent, the joy of living one's purpose, and the importance of having a vision. You and I are on the board of the PHJ Alliance because you want to be a force in carrying out its mission to fulfill on the larger vision. To do this with great verve and excitement is to know you are bringing your unique purpose to the PHJ mission. When you are clear about your vision, you can see your purpose expressed as a contribution to the whole of it. We are in a time of evolution unlike any we've witnessed or known, when what must evolve now is human consciousness itself. And the irony of an evolution in consciousness is that it must be chosen consciously. I spoke those words more than 2 decades ago. In this era of a great shift for humanity, it's really time for us to bring our unique, divinely given gifts to the community, to make our wisdom practical. Be it a local community, your workplace, your family, or the world at large, we each come into this life to fulfill on sharing our gifts and talents in a way that we serve ourselves and others. In our workshop, we will focus on vision and purpose. Creating a vision consciously is key to being a force in how life unfolds now and into the future. What about purpose? Knowing one's purpose is key to a life of joy. When you know your purpose, you aren't in the question whether you are making a difference. You know it definitively. From a QuantumThink perspective, a created vision stated with awareness is a living intent. This means your intent is emanating out to the world from the moment you state your vision. When you experience a life of joy, you are at peace. Regardless of circumstances, you maintain your state of calm and equanimity. In a state of joy and peace, you quite naturally become a source of harmony in the world, in all your relationships, and in your thinking about world affairs as well.
To make this a truly transformational quantum leap experience for you, we are sending material we use with our QuantumThink clients for you to begin this joy-expanding experience together. First, the Hollow Movement of Purpose. It's an audiobook excerpt from Chapter 18 from Do You Quantum Think? This distinction, number 18, is for you to distinguish your unique purpose. Secondly, the power of intent. Coaching articles on creating statements of intent. Intent is the active dynamic of creation that we have been divinely bestowed with by virtue of our human birth. And lastly, your holographic vision. Your holographic vision is an opportunity to state your visions. As you do, just by speaking it, your visions become positive forces in the world. During our workshop on April 17th, we will work with you to distinguish and fine-tune with clarity your unique purpose statement, as well as your visions. As you share these with others, you will strengthen their power even more.
It's really time for us to bring our unique, divinely given gifts to the community, to make our wisdom practical.
All the best, and we look forward to seeing you.